Hello all, Ava Vox on behalf of Cloud Technology Channel is with a new event today. Jiju is here with a new video and I will be providing the commentary. Again, he is with a Samsung Galaxy M14 5G installed with Termux and PHP in a minimal beast mode with Bluetooth keyboard and self-made mobile stand. He with his 2 decades of PHP and Linux exposure will show how to develop PHP apps and test or debug in this phone on the go. As he says, it is very easy with the integrated HTTP server invoked by PHP-S localhost 8080, which anybody can do on any Linux-like implementation without any headache. Jiju creates a directory app/php. Creates on .php with errors and saves, then corrects file name to index.php. He starts the PHP server with PHP-S localhost 8080. Then opens Chrome browser and Android to the URL http://localhost 8080. The syntax error is seen. And in Termux, as the console is busy with PHP, he has to press Ctrl+C to end the process. As the error is on line 3, Jiju uses nano+3 index.php, which with his extensive Linux experience knows that nano editor will take directly to the line number. After editing the code and saving, he again starts the PHP server by navigating through history with cursor keys. In Android native Chrome he does a refresh with F5, and another error is seen. This time Jiju makes the correction and saves the file and then makes a slight change to the PHP-S localhost 8080 command by adding a greater than symbol followed by console.log and 2 greater than error.log and end with and. This is to redirect standard output to console.log and standard error to error.log and send the whole process into background. This enables the terminal with a new shell such that Jiju can edit the files in folder without stopping the PHP web server. Now when he refreshes, the familiar PHP setup information is shown on screen. Then Jiju adds a header with Hello World by editing the index.php in Termux and in Chrome to shows the edit worked without restarting the built-in web server.